Hello, my name is Patrick Malje and I'm one of the founders of taxx.lu. In this video I will show you how to fill in your tax return without having to be an expert. You can either start a blank return or import the PDF of your last year's return to avoid having to manually copy data such as your name, social security number, address or the names of your children. Once in your declaration, you are guided through the different steps. Simply follow the different forms. If you have any questions, you will find the most frequently asked questions on each form, or you can contact our team by chat on the bottom right of this website. We are here to answer all your questions. When you arrive at the auto-scan form, simply download the taxx.lu scanner app to automatically import your Luxembourg tax certificates. Scan the QR code on the page and then scan your certificates. They are automatically imported into your return and you no longer need to enter them manually. If the system does not recognize your certificate, enter the data on the relevant form. At the end of the process, taxx.lu determines the amount of tax to be paid or reclaimed, and you can download your completed tax return. Then analyze your Opti score, which shows you at a glance how you can reduce your taxes. Thank you in advance for your trust, and the entire taxx.lu team is at your disposal for any questions regarding your tax return.